Over 90% of AutoCAD users has problem with working by stretch command in AutoCAD. If you don't want to be like them, watch this tutorial. Hey there and welcome to your YouTube channel, which makes you a professional in working with AutoCAD software. In this episode, our focus is learning how to work with the stretch command. Most basic users confront with problems and errors when they use the stretch command. But I promise, if you watch this video till the end, you will use it in an easy manner, with no problem. The usage of a stretch command, as its name shows, is stretching the objects with a value or a displacement in some directions. To know how to call the command, we can come to this modify panel. From here we have access to stretch. By left click it's active. The other way is coming to this menu bar. From here modify, stretch, it's active. The last case is typing stretch, the full form, enter. It does not have any alias. Now my command is active. It's time to know how to work that. It's the stage that most basic users has problem. What is that? It says that select the object. When I select my object and enter, it's wrong. Why? Because it will work like move. If I select the base point, as you see, it works like move command. It's wrong. How to solve this problem? I need to call command. After that, I need to select or put this portion of the objects inside my selection area that I want to expand that part. Imagine that I want to expand from right side. I select just this right side which are inside my selection area. Enter. Now I need to select the base point and I want the get value that go in this direction to be 5. Enter. That's it. Now it worked. If I get back, I can do the same process with other method. What is that? I select this portion, enter. Now I have access to sub option of displacement. When I say this, like previous, imagine that I want to go 5 in x direction and it's 0 in other direction. So I say 5, 0, 0. Enter. So we have two cases. One of them is selecting base point, then giving the value in that direction. The other is directly giving the displacement value in x, y, and z direction. Let's see this important case too. Now, if I put my selection area in this part and say enter, if I do this stretch, as you can see, by selecting this part, I just stretch this part of the object and I cannot stretch the other part. So the parts that are inside my selection area are important. Now I have a question from you. Can I stretch the circle too? The answer is no. You cannot stretch, and stretch command does not work with circle command, as you can see. Also, it does not work with ellipse command. I tried to tell all the information, to summarize them, but making in a fruitful tutorial to make the process easy, but more and full of tips for you. If you enjoyed, subscribe to our channel to be part of our community and learn the AutoCAD process in an easy but fruitful manner. Thanks for watching, best wishes, take care and goodbye.